Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to do a quick unboxing video today of a haul of Coach retail items. And these came from two different places. I got a couple of small items directly from Coach, the retail site. They were having their 30% off Mother's Day sale. And I got the other bigger items from Macy's. They were having their 30% off Friends and Family sale. And the reason I picked up these items is because at the same time, both of these places were running 30% off. Ebates, which is now called Rakuten, was having 15% cash back. So once you combine that 30% off from the store with the 15% off cash back from them, it was just a no-brainer to me that I should pick up some stuff that I've been thinking about getting. And I'm gonna link below if you have not signed up for Rakuten, which is formerly called Ebates. They got absorbed into this other company, so it's called something different now, but it's the same thing. It's Ebates. You've probably heard of other YouTubers talking about Ebates and how great it is, and so I definitely am a big fan. When you can combine it with another sale, it's awesome. So let me show you what I got, and I'll start with the smaller items first. All I've done is take the tape off. So this is the first item that I picked up. You can see it is from Coach, and they just have their paper here with the sticker. And then of course they always give you the receipt nice in the envelope, which I love about them. It's really nice quality packaging. So I picked up a purse charm. So this is the Tea Rose charm, and you can see it has this like lock closure tea rose that is on my Parker that I have, and then it has a couple of others. And what I really got this for is, I thought it would look great on a lot of my bags, but specifically my page 27 where I lost that awesome tea rose hang tag that came on it. I've missed it ever since, and I thought this would look great on my page 27. I'm already concerned about the amount of noise this makes though. I did not realize it was going to be so noisy. I mean, I guess it makes sense because it's all metal, but I didn't think about it. Okay. I'm going to have to think about that one. I'll have to see if that annoys me or not. If I do end up selling it, it'll probably be on Facebook, or you know what? I might trade it for a feather charm because those are made out of leather and they're quiet, but I still really like the aesthetics of them. That's hard to say. All right, next box we have here is also from Coach, and I'm opening it the wrong way. Here we go. Ooh, this is fun. I've never seen this before. Look, the palm tree sticker, and it kind of has like a shiny foil effect to it. That's really cute. I've never seen that before. So let me see. Oh man, this is some great packaging. Look at this. They tied it up in here in the box with the bow, the thank you note. You're gonna be so disappointed when you guys see what this is. It is really not that fancy. What great packaging though. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Man, they really did it up for me. I am really impressed. Take this sticker off. And all that's in here is a dinky chain strap that I paid next to nothing for. I think it was like $24, and then I had to get 15% back. So it was like under 20 bucks or around 20 bucks for the strap. And they probably put $20 worth of packaging here for me to unpackage. So the reason I got this dinky chain strap, it's the light gold color, is because I want to wear it on my new Michael Kors bag that I just got, my Peyton clutch. I was worried that this gold would be darker than this, but it actually matches perfectly, which is awesome. So I think it's gonna look great together so that I can carry this crossbody with a chain strap, or I can double this and have a longer drop shoulder bag rather than the short leather strap that comes with this. And I think the chain is just gonna look so good on this bag. So I'm glad this worked out. This is a really heavy chain strap too. I'm kind of impressed. The quality seems pretty nice. The only other jinky chain straps I've had are the leather, the ones that have the leather woven through. So I've never tried just the plain chain. So cool, I'm really impressed. Nice job with the packaging, Coach. Where did this one come from? Oh, Jacksonville, Florida. I think the other one that I got came from a local Coach. Yeah, it came from a local Coach store. So I guess that's the difference in the packaging, either like corporate or versus like an individual store. All right, so let me get some stuff out of the way here because we're gonna open the big box. So I picked up 2 bags that I have been wondering about and curious about. So let me show you what I got. Actually, put the box down here because it's a little bit large. All right, packaging not so good here. They've pretty much just thrown the bags in the box, which is not entirely surprising coming from a department store. So this is bag number 1. At least it looks brand new. It definitely doesn't look like a return. All the packaging is still on it. So I picked up the Denim Edie, and honestly, I just think these Coach's denim line right now is killer. It is so cute. They have so many great bags in this line. My only concern, and I'm still not even sure I'm gonna keep this one, I may return it. I am so concerned how these bags are gonna wear because it's denim. As soon as it rubs against your body, you're gonna see wear. I mean, that's how denim works. It gets worn. Now, the question is, will it still look cute? Because sometimes distressed jeans are really cute. And so will this just get better with age? Or is it gonna look like a hot mess really quickly? That's my concern. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the packaging off here so we can get a better idea of what this looks like. Okay, I finished taking all the packaging off. That was extensive. This thing was packed really well. But I just want to give you an idea of what this looks like. You can see it has the leather side panels and the corners are leather. So that's good. At least we don't have to worry about the corners of this bag fraying. It just has the denim in the panels on the front and back. And then you have this brown, like this natural brown contrast. And then the inside is the floral print, which is so cute. And look, sorry, my lighting's crazy right now. Look at this. I might have to get off over the noise because look how cute this would look on here. I didn't even think about it for this bag. Look, that's adorable on there. Yeah, we'll see about that. But it is really cute. I will give them that. So I'm excited to try this out. Think about it, look at it in person, and think about how it will wear. I definitely love the dinky in this collection, but I didn't get it because if I'm worried about the denim getting rubbed, the last thing I want to do is wear it crossbody, because when you have something rubbing against your thigh constantly, it's going to get worn way faster than when you're wearing something on your shoulder, which is why I decided to go for the Edie. And I do want to show you, this came with a really nice silky dust bag, which is awesome because, like I said, it's from Macy's, not from the retail store. So I'm glad that they included that. All right, next we have another bag that everyone is talking about right now. And that is this guy. Okay. Not the color I wanted to get. I'm just gonna throw it out there, but the color I wanted to get sold out almost immediately on the Coach site, and they didn't have it at Macy's, so I went for kind of a surprising color for me. All right, so this is the Charlie bucket bag, and everyone is raving about this bag. I mean, I get it. I think it looks super smart, just the design of it. So I immediately understood like why people are going gaga for it, but I had to see it in person and try it out for myself to see kind of how fussy these turn lock closures are, if it annoys me, and see if I like this color in person. I'm also worried about color transfer on a light color like this, especially if I'm going to wear it with the crossbody strap, so I need to think about that a little bit. So I just wanted to pick one up so that I could test it out kind of in the comfort of my own home. But you can see here, it has 2 sections and it's divided in the middle. I'm definitely going to do a full review on this bag because it is so popular. And unfortunately, there's a rumor going around that they've already discontinued it. So if you're somebody that, like me, has been curious about this bag and like what all the hype is about, I would go ahead and grab one if you can, because I don't know if they're going to be around for that much longer. The color I really wanted to get was the dark turquoise, but I decided to go with this color because I think it's going to be great for spring and summer. Nudes are really in right now, and it has my favorite hardware on it. I love their light gold and I love their brass hardware, and I think it looks so sophisticated with this color. So what this bag really reminds me of is the Louis Vuitton Neo Noe, which is something that's been on my wish list for a while and I haven't picked one up. So I'm excited to try this out and see if I like it and see if it kind of replaces that in my head as something that I want to add to my collection. So I will be doing a full review on the Charlie bucket bag, and that color is called Beechwood if you're interested. Now with the Macy's sale, if you spent a certain amount of money, you got a free gift. So here is my free gift from Macy's that came with my handbags that I purchased. And it is a cute little vinyl floral tote. So get this off. You can see there, it's just a cute little tote. It has a blue floral print on it. You could pick between blue and pink, I think. So, I mean, it's just a cute bag to take to the beach with snacks in it, or to the pool, so I think I'll definitely use it. I mean, it's not like the most functional or expensive free gift, but I think I'll get use out of it. So whatever, it's free. Love it. I love free stuff and I love discounts. You guys know I'm cheap. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching this lengthy unboxing video of my Coach haul of retail items. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or any comments or requests for videos, please put them in the comment section below. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, I hope you will. I do unboxings, reviews, comparisons, all about all different handbag designers. So if you love handbags, I know you'll love my channel. All right, guys, until I see you on my next video, bye.